Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 11 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add in the pool and then the sides here so that we can add in trees on the side and then the boundary wall. Now we're gonna continue working on this by going to our south elevation and let's create some boundaries here, the gates. So we'll make that from here. We're gonna go to generic model and then extrusion, pick a plane. We're gonna choose this wall as our plane, and here we're going to add in some design here. So this design will be very simple. It's just metal that is copied and has holes. So we're gonna copy this multiple times, make sure this is multiple, and then type in 100. So just keep on typing 100, and once you have enough, you can select all of them except for one, and then copy again, and then grab it from the midpoint there. So you could have it like this. And then just continue until you're at the end, and just delete this. And you want to make sure that you have everything like that. After that, make sure to change your material. So this will be a metal. So metal, and then choose something different. So that one is already done or being used or being already loaded. Let's change it to a different metal. Something aluminum here. Click finish. This one should be, because I know we have 100, 150 thickness, and we put it on this face. So what we could do is we could start from negative 150, and this one should be only 100. Apply, and then let's look at it at 3D. So for the 100, let's change this. Let's pull this back a little bit like that. So it should be around negative 100. So it's like this. Click finish and save it. Go back to south. I'm not gonna do this again. I'm just gonna try and copy it. So that's done. We have a copy right there. And then now we need to create the pattern for the gate. So what I'm gonna do is go back to south elevation. This will be another extrusion architecture, model in place, and then generic model. Extrusion, pick a plane. Let's choose this. Negative 150, and then negative 100. Let's add this. And then let's just create something like this. Copy. Let's copy from below. Okay, I'm happy with this. So what we could do is we could just start copying. Make sure multiple is copied. And then this one is around 100 again. Do it again. This one is it's over. So what we could do is we could just move it on the side like that. Click finish. This one, they're saying that it's something is overlapping. We might have an overlap here. So we could delete this just to make sure. And let's copy again. Copy, I'm gonna grab it here and put it there. There we go. Click finish and then finish. Let's look at it at 3D. It looks nice. Okay. And then let's do the gate again, which is right here. Let's go back to model in place. I'm gonna do the same pattern. Generic model. Pick the same plane. And everything is done as it was the last changes that we did. Here, I'm gonna do this. And then let's copy it right here. And then let's copy multiple. But this time let's do 200. So I'm gonna move it all the way to the right side. Okay, now we could just move this one a bit in the middle, like that. And then we could just add something in the middle, like so, to break it and to show that there is something different there. I'm gonna create a copy. And then click finish. Finish again, and then let's look at it. So that looks nice. We could put something at the top here. So let's do this. Model in place. This will be generic model. We're gonna do a sweep and then pick a path. So let's pick this path. It will be all around the wall. Unfortunately, we have to do it 3 times because of this one. Make sure everything is connected on your edge or at the end here. Click finish, edit profile, and then we just need to do this. So that's 150 for sure. The thickness is 20, or let's do it as 30. So let's do it 30 here. Actually make it 25, it's much better. Click it here. Let's do this at 175 and here 200. Click finish. I'm just gonna double check 25. Okay. And then change the materials first. Stone again. Let's try this. Tavern. Click finish and then finish. Okay. And then we just need to add this one as well. So now let's just create a model in place again. Let's just do a sweep. Let's just make it consistent. So click finish, profile. It's 150. I want the thickness to be 25. Click here, 175. Click here, 200. And then click finish. Let's add in the number here. So go to architecture, model text. We could put 15. We need to set it. So let's set this first. So pick a plane first. We need to set this right here. Click on the model and then click on 15. Now we need to just add this one. So once you add, you can click it, edit type, duplicate, whatever name you want. And then I'm just gonna add the size. I'm gonna make it 30 height, or it's too small. So let's change that to something 200. That's still too big. Let's make this one 50. I think 50 is too small as well, so 100 is good enough. After that, you go here, the depth around 50. You can even make it 30, and then the material should be metal. and you choose whatever. Let's choose aluminum, and I'm gonna go to my south. I want to make sure that this is around center, which is fine right here. Okay, so this one's looking good. Now we're done with our modeling. Let's add in our sheets. So go to sheets, right click, new sheet. Let's load in more title block. Go back to the main, and here title block. Let's use A1. Press OK, and then just keep on adding new sheet. So go back here, new sheet, and choose A1. I'm just adding new sheet so that we could make this faster. There we go. And then after that, you just go here, you put in cover sheet, cover. After that, double click here. This will be your first floor. Second floor, and then this will be elevation, and then section. After that, you just need to create some of those. So go back to level 1. We need to add in a camera view. So I'm gonna do a camera view right here. So I'm doing this camera view right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change it to fine. Graphic display. I want it to have a gradient background. Shadows. I'm gonna cast this. Apply. Okay. I'm also going to make this as my starting view. Go to manage and then click starting view. You choose this one, 3D view, 3D view 1. After that, go to cover and then go to your 3D view. This will be this one, and then I don't want this view, so no title. So this will be your cover. First floor, just drag it. So go to your floor plan, drag level 1. So level 1 is added. If you don't want this one to be shown, go back to your level 1 and then go to your properties. Click this one, apply, and then just use this so that elevation doesn't show again, and then uncheck this so that it is visible. Go back to your first floor and it will look like this. You just need to do this, click here, place it there, click it back so that you can have this and drag this. So now that looks nice. Second floor, just drag it again. This is 1 into 100. Let's check the other one. It's 1 to 100. So that's fine. So we have the same um, scale. Go here on your elevation and then just put in all your elevation right here. Okay, and then west elevation would be right here. So north, south, east, and west should be right here. If you want to shorten this, what you need to do is you need to go to your east elevation, do the same thing, crop view, and then visible, apply. You will need to move this one like that, and then this one like that. Okay, so only the areas that you want, uncheck this, apply. Once you go back to your east or your elevation, it will be much shorter. You can do that as well here. So let's go to your west, check both of them. Click here, and then you can shorten this as well. Uncheck it, and then apply. Then ease, make sure this is unchecked. And then go back to your elevation to double check everything. Now you just need to fix this. So right there, click it here, and then pull this back. So there is step to change your um, title, to navigate your title. Click it here and then fix it. Lastly, your section. What we can do is we could create another section. So you just go to your level 1. As you can see, we have a section right here. And then let's add in a section, another section, which you can create it right here. I want to do it from here, from our stairs. After that, we have section 1 and 2 now. Go to your section sheet and then drop in section 1 and section 2. Here we need to fix one of the section. So go to your section 1. Let's edit this. So as you can see, it's a lot bigger. We can even drag this up like so, and then just uncheck this, apply. For the view range, you will need to go to your first floor, level 1, and then just maximize that so that it will show. Now when you go to your section, it will show the background as well. So you do that here, and sometimes you put your general notes, keynotes right here on the side. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.